Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you have a dog, that's a dog. If you have a dog like this and he's got to go out. He's not going out right now. But if he's got to go out, this is what might happen. You might have a door that looks like this, where the paint is all messed up. Might even be like that. The reason it's like that is because we didn't have this. And our dog would come over, because this goes out to go out and do the business. And he'd come over here and he'd scratch this. Just a little light scratch, but you might kind of hear that. Kind of hear that a little bit. Well, he got used to coming over, and as long as he heard that noise, he knew that we would be aware that he's at the door. We'd let him out and he'd go and do his business. Well, a friend of mine was like, you should get one of these things and prevent the dog from touching the door. The dog can focus on the bells, these jingle bells. I was like, that is a pretty cool idea. So wouldn't you know it, these bells, they're like, reindeer type, jingle bell type things that you might see around the holidays. This is the material. It's like a woven, type material. It's a really simple design. There's a couple that go up here. There's another set that goes here, and there's a couple straps that go here that, depending on the size of the handle that you have and how it's fixtured, you can either unsnap it and then clip around it so it doesn't fall off. You have a couple different options as far as that's all concerned. It hangs from standard door height knobs, whatever that is. So it's not on the floor, it goes all the way down. It still hangs in the air. And then when your dog comes over, you train, there's a training component to this. They come over, all they do is just a light tap. And then we're like, oh, and then we go reward them. And there's a training process that goes along to it, but then they understand, they just touch this and they're not tearing your door up. Or if you have glass, they're not getting their nose and getting the glass all dirty. They focus on this versus the door and everything else. So if you need something a little bit different that looks kind of nice, there's a couple, this is black. I think there's different colors and options that kind of maybe suits your style of your house. This just might help save your door and your windows and help in the potty training process.